What's going on, guys? It is True Ember and welcome back to another video. So for the first part of this video, you're gonna see a little bit of incidents and like a little bit of explaining here and there. There were some people not calling their hits, some people accidentally friendly firing. There were some people who thought one rule was one but really it was another. And this is not to expose the players, this is not to expose, you know, anybody else. It's not to expose CQB City themselves. This is just a heads up and a reality check. Like, if you do end up joining the sport, you know, just remember there's going to be some things along the way that may not suit right, may not be right, and straight up just be wrong. The game relies on an honor system, so there's no real way to say someone was hit or not unless you have footage, which I have some, and I guess a bunch of other people do as well. But on the field, you can't really determine because you're in the heat of the moment. There's a lot of players going on. There's a lot of noises going around. There's a lot of noises going on, and it's not like paintball where, you know, you get hit and you can see the paint on you. Just got to let you guys know that, you know, there's some things that could happen, some problems that can occur while playing this game. You have to give it your all, and you have to actually be in the spirit of Airsoft in order to enjoy and play the full sport, which is called Airsoft. Anyways, guys, that's all I really had to say. The first few parts of these videos are just going to be some like little things that I've encountered on the day I went. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, I don't think I have an outro either, so I'm gonna make one, or this is the outro right here. Enjoy the video, guys.
What do you think? What are you thinking? You see our team comp right now. What are you thinking? Is he bringing our shit rock or not?
Nah, we'll see. We got some little guys, so they're gonna be fast. Some pro speed softers, looks like it. And we got Brian.
Huh?
I want to get like 4 grenades right here and just go.
Okay, bro.
Jesus.
That would hurt.
Okay. Hurry! What? Are you blue or red? That was friendly, that's why.
Alright.
Yeah, we're blue. Are you guys blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was blue.
Did I hit you? No.
No, you were hitting someone. He was trying to tell you that he was blue.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's why he was like, you know, like, we're blue.
Is the other one is green or red?
The other one's red. We're going after red. Red's on their spawn.
I don't call you.
Yeah. You know what's so cool right now is that I have Brian's wallet.
Hey, yo, bro, chillaxing.
I'm gonna get my spin shot.
Hey, you dying? You dying?
Good. Let me see that gun.
My penis.
I can't get up.
Just cheat. You recline.
You're flying.
Woohoo! You're embracing your inner furry.
Now at least you got fur nuts. If they've got that, you're good.
Okay.
It's never dead over here, my brother. Wakanda forever.
Get your mobile. No, this guy was like, I'm so tired. And I'm like, you're tired. See, I've been here since 7.
See, I don't give a fuck. Just because you're more tired than me doesn't cancel out me being tired. I'm still tired.
If you ain't tired, you ain't tired, all right? That's how it works.
No. No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
We're not spiritually connected.
You sure about that?
Bro, this guy broke my helmet.
It's not my fault, okay?
It's not my fault that you shot me in the chin.
Hey, I borrowed his Polar Star for the first time, and then I shot, and then I just happened to hit you in the neck, okay?
He hit me right with the buckle where the actual thing like.
Oh, jeez.
Fuck these goggles, bro.
Venmo now. I just have Bank of America. Dude, if that was open, I would have been so pissed.
Hey, let's know what else is open.
What's that?
My DM, so y'all can hit me up at htl.hams, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, I'm blocking him.
Wow.
In there? On the left?
Corner.
Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he's good.
Okay. Jesus, dude.
Yeah, just zip it.
So what happened in that hallway? What happened in the hallway?
Let me tell you something.
Get in the frame.
I'm in a hallway, right? He throws a grenade, right? Okay. I ran away before it exploded. I was in a whole different room, right? So then, after it exploded, I came back. This fool was trying to get the ref on me, talking about everybody in the hallway is hit. My guy, I was in a whole different room. Crybaby. Damn. This fool was like literally a senior citizen. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Please.
Somebody hit me up so I won't have to have a body pillow anymore.
I'm so proud about. Can't fucking speak this right now. I'm so proud to be a part of this clip. Sweet. You have 64. I know, dude. I know.
Bro, he throws a grenade in the hallway. I run away into a whole different room.
I'm behind barrels. I'm literally behind barrels. Like.
Oh. Disgusting. Everybody in the hallway. Shit, my guy, I'm in a whole different room. What hallway am I in? Like, come on, bro.
I only shot, and then when the BB was, when that grenade blew up, I didn't even shoot.
Homie needs to wear my glasses. I didn't know a small room is a hallway. What?
Their bottles are gonna be on the other side of this blue building.
Oh, there.
Can I get you to switch over to red team for the remainder of this game, please?
Red team?
Yep. All right, thank you.
Do I just respawn?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trader time.
Good shit, man. Oh, here, hey. I'm not leaving you hanging. Here.
17 $14 an hour. I like that.
Oh damn, I'm getting 14 an hour.
14.
14. But I got 2 jobs, so.
Hey, if you come to Home Depot, they'll do you some good.
I'm not 18 yet.
I thought you were older than me.
I'm 17.
I'm older than everybody.
Yeah, you old fuck, no.
Hey, no wonder my back be hurting.
How old are you actually?
18.
You're 18? When's your birthday?
June 13.
So you're turning 19 this year?
Yeah.
I'm barely turning 18 in July, dude.